Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to skip cutscenes in Ghost of Tsushima step by step. So here's the thing, you can't skip cutscenes during your first playthrough of the game, but once you've completed it, you'll unlock New Game Plus, and that's where the skip option becomes available. From the main title menu, select New Game Plus, then choose the save file you want to carry over. This lets you start a new game while keeping almost all the gear and items you collected during your first run. Now, once you're in New Game Plus, you'll notice that the game actually skips the entire prologue automatically and starts right from Jin's iconic ride through the pampas grass. While most cutscenes can now be skipped, a few, like major story moments, can't be skipped since they're critical to the narrative. When you're watching a scene you want to skip, simply press and hold the X button when the on-screen prompt says, "Hold X to skip cutscene." That's all you need to do. And that's it. That's how you skip cutscenes in Ghost of Tsushima's New Game Plus mode, quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.